There we go, guys. Uh-oh. That's not going anywhere. Gotta get fueled up. Right, truck? Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Bass Watch. I'm Cody, and on today's episode, we're in Southeast Missouri. We got the kayak, and we're gonna go make a new friend and fish some new water. Exciting. Thank you, Google Maps, for once again leading me in the wrong direction. Sure, I'll park in somebody's driveway on a private street and walk through their yard to get to my pinpoint that's on a public parking lot. Yeah. Okay, we're here. This looks nice. Let's get unloaded. Today I'm joined by my good friend Mitchell Cobb here, Southeast Missouri. Mitchell is pro staff for Parsons Lures that makes these beautiful spoons. He's gonna show me around on his home water and show me what these Parsons Lures are about. Thanks for tuning in. Dude, I better not say too much about it, but I think this ghetto rigged fucking pole's gonna work. Got a tackle tip here this morning. I'm throwing a Tackle Max swim bait here, but I want to add a little bit of pizzazz to it. Spike it, garlic scented bait tip marker. Straw it right on there. It will stay on there for a pretty damn long time. And now your bait smells and tastes delicious. Oh yeah, they're flipping everywhere, man. You're right. It's turning on. I don't think I mentioned it yet, but today's target species is hybrid striped bass, aka wipers. And this beautiful spoon here is what we're gonna try to catch them on. I'm not a non-believer. I've just never been a spoon person. Is that largemouth?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Not well.
What was that on? What was that on? Oh, nice.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Oh!
Oh no!
Dude, that felt like a tree.
Was it moving though?
There was some shaking. There wasn't a whole lot of running. It might, I don't think, I'm like, unless I've got a piece of grass or something on here, I'm confident that was a fish. Tell you what, when you figure the speed out on a spoon, this Parsons Lure spoon has a really good action. Really nice, natural, wobble. Very nice. For real. I think I'm just starting to get the speed thing figured out. It's something you're going to get with new lures, new techniques. I haven't even marked any good sized fish out here. I marked a few small ones, which I probably shad, I don't know. Alright. Anchor down. We're 7 feet. There it is. This lake has a nice smooth bottom, which is nice. There we go. That ain't slipping. I hate fish. Bastards. They can be anywhere they want. That ain't fair to us. Oh. I know Mitchell's feeling the pressure since the fish aren't cooperating so far. And I get it. I feel that way whenever I host somebody somewhere and the fish just don't cooperate. But that's fishing. The most important thing is he has proved to me that they're in here.
Fish like each other.
Sorry.
Oh shit.
Oh. Didn't know if I was recording or not. Yeah, I watched the fish just jump out there. Like it came out of the water. Couldn't see what it was, but it was huge. Well, I mean big. I guess that's the mama. The mom and the baby. We're back to trying for crappie. Got a black and chartreuse Bobby Garland baby shad on. Yep, there is definitely something wrong if we can't find a fish in here, guys. Hey, I got one. Look at that. Alright, y'all. We didn't get skunked. We have a little bitty black crappie. Ain't he cute, guys? He's beautiful if you ask me. Because this is the skunk saver. See you, bud. Woohoo! Caught a fish. There we go, guys. Uh-oh. Damn it. Oh, good. Hey, a warmouth. Nice. You can always tell warmouth because they got that war paint stripes coming from their eye. Not under their eye, from their eye. A lot of males will get that little red tip on the opercular flap. And just beautiful colors on this thing. See the anal fin spines? There's only 3 of them. That means it cannot be a rock bass. So, nice. See that, guys? Warmouth. Alright, buddy. Wow, you're pretty. Scrappy little fish. Love them. Alright. Well, Mitchell might be done for the day. We'll see. We'll go over there and see what's up.
I got fed up with that.
Okay, y'all. We're getting back in our little plastic boat. Not to sound like a wuss, but I really don't want to paddle back across that wind choppy shit. But we are here now. So might as well try to make a little more out of it, right? I've had a great day, for real. It doesn't take fish. You don't have to catch a lot of fish to have a great day. And so from the looks of it, y'all, this is the old creek channel. You tell this is a limestone or dolomite bluff running all the way down. And this is some of the deepest parts of this end that I've seen. Also kind of suggesting that it is the old creek channel. Come on, man. There it is, y'all. Slab sauce. There we go, guys. Yeah, little dinky crappie. They are sitting way down low. These are too small. I wouldn't even take these home. I don't get it, man. I landed right on top of one crappie. One? What? Alright. I've had all the fun I can handle. We'll just have to come back because this is a really cool lake. Screw you, lake. I don't even know what to say. Well, another day ends with the flavor of fish are dumb. You know, I still had a good day. We checked a place off the list we've always wanted to see. We met somebody we've been wanting to meet for a while and hang out with. That was awesome. Special thanks to Mitchell Cobb and Parsons Lures today. Hey guys, it is me from the future. That is right, I forgot to shoot an outro. So, here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up, drop a comment, share, subscribe. Head on over to finsprogear.com, pick yourself up some sweet apparel, save 15% using our code STAYWILD. 15% off Whisker Seeker Tackle using our code BASSQUATCH15. Don't forget guys, head on over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us. As always, until next time, stay wild. Come on, bitch. Now they're calling for rain in like an hour or two. That's new. Ah, rope bird. Hey, wait, we look kind of same size. Son of a bitch. Damn global warming. So I have a theory. I thought I had a hex on me or something. But it puts a little icon like a goldfish cracker on the screen. See if we can at least pick up a ditch pickle on it. You know what I mean? Good night, America.